What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Pepe. As you guys can clearly see, it has pumped up once again. A huge green candlestick can only mean one thing, guys. It has pumped up over 50% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. Especially with Bitcoin pumping up in value, over $60,000 is a major green light for the crypto market, and majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side as well. So what is next for Pepe? Is it going to keep pumping up in value? Is it going to take a dip anytime soon, or is it too late to invest into it? We're also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy if you're on a profit? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also going through its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect from Pepe as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have finally hit the top tier level here, which again has its ups and downs, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, let's hide the Fibonacci scale and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Pepe? Is according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is expected. Personally, yes, I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, and then slowly starting to take a little bit of red candles towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, trading back to where it is currently trading at the moment. So yes, the graph is correct up to an extent. However, do expect quite of a wave up and then back down in value to where it is. It's not going to be consistently staying at its current price range, is what I'm trying to explain here. So moving on to the hourly chart, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the coming week, over the next 7 to 8 days, guys, by mid next week, Pepe should essentially be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not expecting a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. In fact, in between, I'm expecting a little bit of a price correction. So there should be 1 or 2 days where it takes a red candle, takes a little bit of a hit before it pumps back up in value. So again, it is likely to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side. But do avoid expecting it to pump up another 100 or 150% over the coming week, because that is unlikely to take place, because as you guys can see, it has already done about 190%, not in the last week, but I would say over the last 3 days itself, it has gone for a major increase in value. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking way too steep, guys. The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not the case. Reason being is, right now it is overvalued, and early to mid March, I'm expecting Pepe to take a little bit of a hit, dropping back down, going for a price correction, and then slowly starting to increase in value late March and April, May, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So once again, we have to bear in mind that the crypto has pumped up quite a bit, so there is something called a price correction that this crypto, not just this crypto, but majority of the cryptos including Bitcoin, are likely to go through over the coming week or two. Reason being is it has pumped up quite a bit as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have literally every single day broken out from one zone to the other. The day of 26th, 27th, and right now 28th of February, we have broken out into the top tier level. What I'm expecting is for it to drop back down into the dark green zone in early to mid March, and then slowly starting to gain value back up to the top tier level here in late April and May as well. So do expect quite a volatile ride from Pepe, but at the moment it does seem to be more on the positive side. And those of you guys who are looking to invest into the crypto right now, make sure your risk management is on point, as it is a very risky time to invest, as the crypto market is up, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, it is likely to go for a little bit of a price correction. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $2 billion in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Again, Pepe is indeed the first top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, and it has been for the last approximately 48 hours. So that's how much attention and hype it is getting in the crypto market, and it is also trending in the crypto world right now, and hence why the trading volume keeps going up, and in return the value of Pepe is also pumping up higher and higher. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Pepe, guys. Can this crypto essentially get rid of 2 zeros in 2024? I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit 1 cent and so on and so on. Again, for it to hit 1 cent, it's going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Pepe to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And also, are you guys buying it? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys simply holding on to it? Let me know as well in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.